Welcome to the Superchute hoist installation video featuring model SC750-cb. Getting the pieces to the roof by means of telescopic forklift, elevator, or rope. Read the manual before using this hoist. Lay down a few pieces of plywood to protect the roof deck. These packets contain all the pieces needed, making for a very compact design. Those are the booms, and they've been put aside for later use. Tie bars are being used to join the halves of the frame. As you can see, the only tool needed are the locking pins. The weight beam is being attached. Prior to installing the weights, shift the frame as far forward as possible. This hoist requires 20 weights, 10 on each side. Each weight weighs 55 pounds. Once the weights are installed in the weight carriage, they are secured by means of a rod and a padlock. Hinge the masts backwards to facilitate putting the boom on. Raise the mast to the vertical position and pin in place. Always use fall protection to prevent men from falling over the edge. Attach the fishpole yoke to the tie bar. Attach the hanger for the wire to the mast. When using a counterweighted hoist, it is important to tie it back to something immovable, so that in the event of, say, a major blockage, the hoist cannot be pulled over the roof edge. Install the winch on the fishpole. And attach the outer crossbar to the end of the fishbowl. Two men bring over the fishpole and wire. The fishpole is pinned to the yoke, and the wire reeler is pinned to its hanger. Pay out some wire in order to attach the spreader bar. Release the winch handle and gently lower the spreader bar. Every order of bolt-down frames is supplied with a document canister. It has a clearer viewing tube and allows users to see whether the manual is with the product. Manuals can also be downloaded at Superchute.com. Men on the ground are in communication by walkie-talkie. Using simple commands like up, down, and stop, they build the chute. Once the chute arrives at the roof level, it needs to be chained to the frame. Then, the winch is used to lower the chute slightly, at which point the boom chains will take up all the weight. We can now remove the spreader bar, and then remove the fisher bowl, and the wire reeler, and the hanger and the yoke.